Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we have an incredible real or fake that won't leave you disappointed. When I first saw this picture, I had to assume it was fake. Because what is it? Well, we're about to find out. First, let's discuss melanoma. Melanoma occurs when the pigment-producing cells that give color to the skin become cancerous. Symptoms might include a new, unusual growth or a change in an existing mole. Melanomas can occur anywhere on the body. Treatment may involve surgery, radiation, medications, or in some cases, chemotherapy. So it turns out that the photo is real. It's a compression bandage on melanoma patient Bethany Greenway. In 2014, Greenway first saw what she thought was a liver spot on her head. Not only was the spot a bit alarming, the constant aching she experienced was as well. Knowing that her mother had stage 1B melanoma in her 30s, Greenway had her spot looked at, but was told it was benign. 2 years later, in 2016, she received the devastating news. I remember that my plastic surgeon called on a Thursday, just after my father-in-law took my oldest child swimming at the neighborhood pool. Greenway told the Mighty. The doctor asked if I was sitting down because we needed to have a serious conversation. That's when her surgeon told her, after finally getting biopsy results from several different labs, she had 2 different types of cancer. The mole on her forehead was desmoplastic melanoma, and the bigger spot on her forehead was melanoma. Greenway was soon put in touch with an oncologist and had her first of 2 surgeries in August 2016. One surgery consisted of a skin graft, where skin from her thigh was put on her forehead, and the second surgery consisted of removing 5 millimeters of the lower half of her surrounding skin. Well, there you go. It's real, and now you know what it is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
If you're looking for the best night's sleep of your life, then look no further. Rest More combines 19 essential herbs, vitamins, and minerals. It's the top sleep supplement on the market today. Rest More is healthy, natural, and available on Amazon Prime through buyrestmore.com. If great sleep is important to you, then try Rest More.
Hey folks, treat yourself and a friend or loved one to an activated carbon peel mask. M7 Amazon is offering 2 packs of masks for under $20. Carbon facial masks help restore collagen, which naturally fills in wrinkles and rejuvenates skin. They also help unclog pores and prevent new blackheads from occurring. With multiple uses in each bottle, that's a lot of clean pores and smooth skin. See the link in the description below.